What's up, guys? Today, me and Zach, I'm gonna be in my kayak, and Zach is gonna be drifting behind me in a tube fishing. So, it should be a great time. We're gonna do a catch and cook, and yeah, it'll be a great time. Zach, your first time floating down, right?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Excited?
Yes.
Nervous?
Yeah.
All right, guys, see you later. Well, that was uneventful. Oh. What you got there, Zach?
Smallmouth.
Nice. Zach's got the first fish of the day. Had one earlier too, but lost it at the bank. On to zip. Ooh. Boom, first fish of the day on top water. Just a little smaller. Oh, shit. It's me and Zach just saw this animal run through the woods. I'm gonna try to catch it, and we're gonna cook it up and clean it and eat it. I got it! A wild pack of wieners! Let's cook them up. Alright guys, nothing better than getting your leg burnt while you stand next to a fire so you can do a video of you and your friend drinking a beer outside, enjoying the wilderness. Nothing better. Alright guys, about to eat up those wild hot dogs we caught.
Tastes pretty wild.
I'll tell you what. If you don't catch your hot dogs in the wild, you're still buying from the store, you're messing up. Even found some tomatoes, made our own ketchup. All right, guys, if you ever make a fire, whether it's on the bank or in the middle of nowhere, always put that shit out before you leave. That was not beer, by the way, that was water. Always take your trash with you too. Oh no!
He had a crawdad in his mouth.
No. Just stay left. Just stay left. Look, they're coming. They already know. Go left. Go left. Go left.
I'm left.
Hey guys, I'd like to give a big shout out to Brian at Indiana Creek Gold Prospecting and Paydirt. He sent me some of his stickers to put on my kayak. It's greatly appreciated. If you guys are into gold or any kind of prospecting, He is from Indiana. Super nice guy. Like, really one of the nicest people I think I've met on the internet. Does anything he can for people. So if you guys would, please check him out. And I'd also like to say thank you to Adam at To Everything Outdoors. He met me at the boat ramp today. He lives in the same town I do. Super nice guy. Me and him should be making a video here soon, so that'll be really cool. I'm eager to see his river tricks. So as always, guys, keep your eye in the sky and your poles in the water. Until next time.